With our callout bar created, the next thing we will do is insert a table that contains our main image. We will create the table under our callout table. Inside this table, create table row, and inside the table row, create table column. Give this column an alignment attribute, set the value is center, because we want the image to be in the center of the column. And inside this column, create a nested table. Create a table row and insert the column that contains the image. This image can be found in the folder you can use. This image, or you can use another image of you choosing. So you can see we have given this column center alignment attribute. We have inserted the image with source and set to the image name, and remember to keep this image in the same folder that your HTML page is stored, and then the set width and height of the image as well. Save this file, refresh the web page. As you can see that the image is inserted.